Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today I'm going to be going into Walgreens and doing a small little haul to grab a few little items that I needed for the house. If you're new, thank you so much for being here and welcome for being here with me. If you enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any of my videos. So one of the deals I'm going to be doing today is on the Tide laundry products. They're on promotion 4 for $9. You can go ahead and pick up the Tide Simply Pods, the Tide liquid detergents, which they have 2 cents, and they also have the dryer sheets and the Downy, but they currently didn't have them in stock at my store. So I went ahead and picked up the Bounce dryer sheets. And I'm also gonna go, I'm bummed that they didn't have those, but I'm also gonna go ahead and pick up the Tide liquid and add it to my cart. So these are the items that I went ahead and I picked up, so we're gonna do our Alright, so this is my other deal. I'm going to go ahead and pick up one Oral-B toothbrush, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up some Crest toothpaste. As you can see, they're on promotion for $3. When you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. I'm going to go ahead and use these 2 digital coupons, which are $2 off of each one, which is going to be $4 off. So your total left to pay is only $2 for this deal and get back a $4 register reward. Alright, another item I'm going to pick up is on the Always panty liners. They're priced at $1.79, and there is a $2.50 coupon attaching to this, but it's only going to take out $1.79. As you can see on the app, that coupon is attaching. Alright, so I am back home, and these are the items I was able to pick up. The first transaction was on the oral care products and the Always pads. So I'm going to go over that receipt with you guys. Alright, so the Crest was on sale for $3 and the Oral-B for $3 and the Always panty liners for $1.79. So only 2 coupons came off, which were the $2 digital coupons for the oral care products. But you all know that on the app, there was a coupon of $2.50 off that we're applying to this panty liners, but for some reason it did not attach at the store, but it does attach on the app. So I went ahead and I contacted customer care. They told me that this item doesn't qualify for the coupon, and obviously they didn't honor it, so they just basically gave me an explanation of the terms and the conditions of the coupon, stating that it doesn't qualify for this specific item. I would have to buy a bigger quantity and not this one that cost $1.79. It only brings 20. So yeah, so I did receive a $4 register reward for these 2 items, which made them free. And I paid out of my own money $3.79 with the tax. My second transaction was on the laundry care products that are right here, and they're on sale for $9. So I went ahead and I picked up all laundry care, well, all detergents instead of fabric softeners because they didn't have any. So the receipt is going to look like this. I went ahead and I picked up the Tide Simply detergent, the Tide Simply Pods, and the Bounce dryer sheets. And I used that $4 off of 4 register reward from this transaction and paid $5. Well, my subtotal was $5, and plus with sales tax ended up to $5.32. So yeah, so these were the 2 deals I did. I paid about $9 for all of these items. But I'm really happy because I was able to save more than 50% off on my, on my everyday essentials. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button for more deals and savings. I hope I see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Have a great night. And also, please let me know which deal was your favorite and which deals are you planning to do for the rest of the week.